everyone, so today I'm going to show you this mini PC by ACEMAGIC that I purchased. It is a computer here. As you can see, it's very small, very convenient if you have a small desk space like myself. And let me show you what it has. So it has your power button here. You have two USB drives in the front and an auxiliary plug for you to connect your audio to it. Go ahead and turn around the back. You have a couple of inputs here. This one here you can connect to your screen, as well as two extra USBs should you need to connect a printer or any other USBs. Right here you have the plug where you plug it in to get power. Let's go ahead and plug it in and show you what it looks like. Alright, so as I was mentioning, my desk here is very small. Not a lot of space, so this mini PC works very well. I went ahead and plugged in the USB for my wireless keyboard and mouse. I also went ahead and put the HDMI for my screen here. And I also plugged in the power cord. So let's go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see. See, there it says ACEMAGIC. It's loading our mini PC, and there you have it. You have yourself a working PC, or mini PC in this case. So you're able to surf the net, work on any office things, documents, papers. Really good if you're looking to save some space instead of having a gigantic tower computer.